Blay pi baro asha kutup khubor jongi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat ba kong san menta ka sngi kilong. Shong shet ka shat suk men sim hamauro. Sange shipor ka jingya khi kinong hikai ka khasi jantia Deficit Teacher Association. Jur ka khai to masi kiu dor ka do masi. To mentang ini phai shi khubor ki ba khambania. Ka jing shat suk men sim ka di ka weina gi jing shat ai ngo yo blay try kan rat ha ka rukom tan ra jong khon khasi kara. Kani ka jing shat kare ka bala banya shem banta da baro ki khon khasi kan thei bat chenrang bat ai ngo kerpang ki jing kur khu jung blai ha usnam bala len bat ban kerpa de ki jing kur khu na ka banta usnam ban wan ha ka jing sedang ban thung ban tap bat ka pas sedang ru ya ka ayom per em la ban i ki nong shat kan thei bat chenrang ki baya shat shit raham haran kat ka sing kat ha ka put ka tem bat ki sur ba bang jong ka tang muri ha ka shat suk man sim bala penlong da ka maulai seng khasi ha mauro ha bakran shikilat pathai khubor usin rop langkar shieng ubalong assistant secretary jang ka sengkhasi sengkmi ula ongba kani ka jing shat ka longru ban penne pan sa ya ka riti ka dustur bareus pa joka bri uhnyo trap uhnyo sko.
Before we start sowing for this new year also, we give thanks to the Creator so that as he has blessed us last year, so he will continue to give us bountiful harvest and bless us this year also. Yeah, the importance of that, as I've already mentioned, it is a Thanksgiving festival in which we give thanks to the Creator as He has protected us for the last year, and He will continue to protect us and shower a bountiful harvest and good prospect in every spheres of life. Yes, the dance, it reflects the social aspect because it respects. Through this dance, you can easily make out the position in which the male occupies in the caste social fabric and the position in which the female occupies in the social fabric, and especially through the costumes in which they wear, it really reflects what a Khasi position, what a Khasi male position is and what a Khasi female position is.
Hagini ki khendiat tayo balalen na kalyang kinong hikai deficit haka jela hapo kalama jong ka khasi jantia Deficit Teacher Association kilapan long ka jingya ki halor ki jingdawa ba pher ki ba kilapan sngo sha ka sarkar jela reklam kanu ka jing pen sngo na ka sarkar kila rai ban pen sange no shwai ka jingya ki na ka daw ka jing kiu ki ba yo ka khlam covid khat khandai
mau ba si sen ngila wan ong sha ki ba chapi ki press ba ngila long ready ya ka second phase Ray hadu mentaro ni pat terikam bat ngela ong ru ya ki para nong hikai ba ya kani ka second phase ngin sa implement ladang ngila so don kam but ngin sa ipo ri nong hikai jungi art pusa punta bangun terikam ya tu nak lam ong ha din art pusa punta ngin terikam ya ka second phase agitation di ya mentang kerpa biang ki para nong hikai ki bidon association ban sngobha ban sumpu ya ka situation ka balong menta kanika cases ka nang spike shibun ha state giwi states la nang he shu ti kum ki nong hikai ki balong responsible gim kwa ban add extra burden gim kwa ban add ka jing jar ka khambun ya fight by di kena school dak pengiya chakmat ki agitation ya menta mende mi ongin e no shwa ki don kibi ki lat ni agitate menta ni dang ye pun create city when ni pa prime minister nang tang pun create city ban pa ki human rights national level but the state level ban pun tip ye ki jing jar ki jungi the kini other means of agitation that need not be disruptible agitation along peaceful agitation. And we will see and play by ear lanu on khot chief minister yang ni dang ya ap hi kata ban dang ya kermen hi bon khot
kajinga le kai kabadi kare ka wena kajinga le kai ba pau hakari India hagini kis nambalalen layo iya kajinga shimbanta ki samlana ka jilla bakanang kiu na kalyang uroki hek ubalong chief advisor all Meghalaya Kabaddi Association ka jilla haba ai ki kintin sedang hak program ulaya thoba ka jingle kai kabadi kala ban long ka ba ai jakpo la da ki samla ki shimkhia ban kintiu yala de hagane ka jingle kai kabadi.
We are very happy to announce here that for the first time we have introduced Kabaddi in Meghalaya. After forming this association, we have started a coaching camp for 1 month in Jain Sports Complex Polo Ground. And there we are very happy also to announce here that the BSF coach in Kabaddi, Ram Kumar, has given a free coaching camp for all the aspirants and those who have already played Kabaddi especially from NCC and JNV school. And it is our dear request also to the parents of here in Shillong and in Meghalaya as a whole, if they can send their sub-junior player, it is free registration for them, and they have to come down to Polo at around 4 p.m. so that they can register their players, and it is free of cost. And you know, Kabaddi is a native game of India. It is part of the known to be a contact sports. So Northeast have a national talents as quoted everywhere to have a national talents in martial arts. So Kabaddi is a contact sport and martial arts is a contact sport. We hope that with this national talents in contact sports, Meghalaya ASHA will come up one day in Kabaddi.
Hakini kisngi la sakhi ke jingkiu dor ka do masi haki babon ki jaka jong ka jilla. Kani ke jingkiu dor ka penlong hipat ba babam do masi ban knyum namar ka jingkiu dor palat put. Ka balakot shadu saus pa san paushi kilo. Habayo banyakran berubah jiwa larpi ubalong presiden jaka kasi jantia Butchers Welfare Association lalap ba ka jingkiu dor palat put jaka do masi kalong namar ka jingjer palat ka kayitu yaki masi sha Bangladesh balada ka sorkar kamla bante la kam yakani kan bu ha ka ba e ikipat ba nong bam ba kinong di do masi kumjo
ti katakan kumbang ilakren ba hoot ya kaya dia ya thiet menta ya kanu kanu ni sungthu hi ba habadan ka bisala man thiet ya kanu kanu handre kum ya kanu kanu pama kabadan idan jing subah kemud ka sarkar ka di bante lakam ka ya kata kenang begini ki mesti kemud kinum ya lai handre baros kata nilai i begitu ki bria ki ba persang man rai ki mesti ban persang man penkam sa Shillong mo nong ti kisu nong gumno kisu persang man le kai madai mo to ngidan sen chata ngidan dukan chata handai gitu gijak no hadian jung hajar kat kenda hadian bala ai ketika salam hakapur bagi ai ke notification ya ketika salam kemud ketu kerja alut paro dan bakali wei ban kit chalo ban ra ai ni mesti kata kalau penduk bor sisa-sisa ini bakal penlong sundan ini mentawat tang untuk mesti kepada bendung si jeka dok kamu rusi tang je
kita kini hidup persepsi yang sausan okey yang dom ke domestik sausan ko kita kena wakati rumah support tu kaya tu semangat mata step direct tu semua bagi kamar bawan hayo lu baduna bangta rumah step direct marwa itap na yoro niyo tap tang strap kene kakak arskan tap tang kandu kunli te kini gindo saka bang tap tang spratli dutli spratli lapulu tu tang bakali so kamar orang balat bundor serta kamla kamar sini mengisi tilaka tu mesti Bila sih, ini masih dan kena kilo tip. Sekarang tip sini masih dan kena kilo dangi dengan milah bah. Madan masih yang dok nak. Diantar masih 4 kilo. Sama dapat undan. Undan tang prakau. Dan buat mesti cekak-cekak bos tingkat dok masih.
Hakah Rio tarik mentau benaya yong hajar huwei menteri uba pet ya katanat PHE uba Renekton lengdo tongkar ulalum ya kijingnya lang bat kinong peniat ka hima mau plang banyakran halor ki kenrum kenram habaya day bat kajing shna pendap ya ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme jaka phase 3 habaya kran bakilat pathai Khubor ulaya thoba kawena kajing e ka longba ka hima mau plang kamsha ban pendap ya kajing shna pendap ya ka stage 2 pumping station namarba ka department ka klempat ajubab halor kajing te soskular bat ka hima ban thungkam ki trash nong ka hakani katanat PHE
division has attended the meeting. We call purposely to solve the issues and problem that Hima Moklang has expressed in the process of the execution of work to complete the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. As you all know that the department and the government as a whole, we are very serious to complete this Phase 3. And today we've called this meeting to solve one of the issues that the Hima Moplang has not allowed the department to execute with the work, the construction of stage 3 pumping station. the construction of stage 2 pumping station, by alleging that the department has not responded to the agreement that is there with Moplang, with Hima Moplang, with regards to the appointment of the staff in the department. So we had long meeting, 2 hours meeting with them. And from the department, we had expressed to them that we are very keen, very serious. And all these years, the department has responded to the agreement, and they have given appointment to many people of Moplang itself. But about the regularization, yes, those staff joined prior to 1997, it has been regularized. But after that, of course, they work on contractual basis. So it has not been regularized. So that is the concern from the Moplang, that they wanted that those people should be regularized.
Badak itu ki khubor ngila poisa ka bakot tar hadu bangeda syambiang khublei